Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can use chat view in sprints. Here we have a sprint, and this is our chat section. If this view is not added, simply click on this plus button. You can either type chat here or simply scroll down and click on Add next to chat. Once the chat view is added, you will see a chat section like this. At the bottom, we have the area where you can type messages. You can also format your messages using these options at the top. You can mention any person, channels, documents, projects, tasks, or teams from here. You can also use emojis, GIFs, you can attach any kind of files, you can add images, voice messages, and in the slash menu, you'll find basic and advanced blocks. You can either send a simple message or you can simply click here on message and you can post something. You can post an update, an announcement, idea, or a discussion. Simply type your message here and click on send. Here's our message. Posts will have tags like these, like this one is an idea, this one is announcement. Simple messages won't have these kind of tags. You can react to messages using emojis. You can also reply in threads. Simply click here and this is the message thread. You can type your reply here. Let's close this. You can also forward these messages. You can quickly click on any of these emojis to react. You can also copy the link. You can delete this message. You can pin it and you can convert it into a task. At the top on the left, we have the conversations. If you want to switch to posts, you can simply click on posts and you're going to see a list of all the posts. You can also filter messages. Simply click on filter at the top, and from here, you can select message types. You can also sort these. You can click on this, and you can sort by newest or oldest. That's how you can use chat section in sprints. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.